You recently bought your 20,000 mAh power bank and you thought that it will charge your 5,000 mAh battery cell phone at least 4 times, but to the reality, your phone is getting charged max to max 2 to 2.5 times. So now you might be wondering what is the real problem, whether the company, the power bank makers, has made some false claims. But no, don't worry. So there are real reasons to it, scientific reasons to it, and the first main reason is the voltage difference. See, your phone will get charged at 5 volt, whereas the internal battery of your power bank capacity is measured at 3.7 volt. See, there is a difference between the voltage 3.7 versus 5 voltage, right? So there has to be conversion made, that is where the energy will get lost, and that's why the internal battery of the power bank will get drained very soon. Okay, so what is the second reason then? See, all our phone comes with fast charging, but if your power bank does not have fast charging support, then it will get drained very quickly. Okay, that is the second main reason. Third main reason is that don't go and buy very cheap roadside low quality power banks. One, it will not have any safety certificate. Second, the cells they will use it for the internal battery, right? That is also very low quality one. Okay, last but not the least, the fourth reason is that you put the charging of your phone through your power bank and you started playing high-end games, watching high-end videos. See, what will happen is your phone will take good amount of time to get charged. On the other hand, your power bank will take very less time to get drained. Okay, so keep all these things in mind, and next time when you go to buy the power bank, so you have to think about all these things, whether they have the fast charging support, whether it has multiple USB ports, whether it has a safety certificate, whether it is of a branded good review one, and last but not the least, you should also think about the output wattage. For example, my power bank charges my phone at 22.5 watt. Okay, so next time you also should think about what is the exact output wattage. Okay, so for all such tech contents, just follow the account, subscribe to the channel, and until next time,